My First Amendment clause selection is a right to assembly. This right to assembly grew from colonial experience. As a result of Boston Tea Party, the English imposed some laws on the American colonists, which were called as punishments. As a result of these intolerable acts, some of the American colonists, such as King George, Governor General of Massachusetts, and General Thomas Gage, decided to two illegal meetings in order to order with troops in order to bear these intolerable acts. But the British Parliament did not bear any or did not tolerate any assembly of the American colonists. As a response to this intolerable act, the First Continental Congress in the year 1774 added a statement in its document of declaration and resolves that all the inhabitants of English colonies, by the immutable laws by nature, they have a right peaceably to assemble and discuss affairs, and prosecuted and commitments are illegal. Later in 1776, Pennsylvania and North Carolina recognized the right to assembly for their citizens. Later, with the New Hampshire in the year 1778, with the ratification of Bill of Rights in the 1791. The freedom of assembly grew among the citizens in order to make a more perfect union of American citizens. The two legal definitions of freedom of assembly came from two different Supreme Court cases, one between the United States and Kroinshack, in which the very idea of the government is that the people can assemble only if there is no harm or danger immediate happening to them. The second case between the DeJohnette and State of Oregon is that the right to assembly, it has a fundamental place alongside the better rights of speech and press. The First Amendment without the right to assembly is a major gap or framework for freedoms which enables us all to participate in the marketplace of ideas. Thank you.